Welcome to this presentation, which will show you how OneFix can support risk management and give you one view of your risks. Achieving objectives is a primary concern of all organizations. Managing uncertainty presents an increasing challenge, whether it be from external or internal change. And integrating processes and technology is a vital tool in meeting the challenge. Organizations today are subject to a wide variety of frameworks, whether they be from government agencies, industry bodies, company standards, or international best practice systems. The effective and efficient use of resources to manage multiple obligations has become critical, and reducing duplication, rework, delays and error is a priority to protect business and consumer confidence. OneFix can help with managing across these multiple frameworks. Do you need a solution that can be built at your pace? OneFix modular design allows a business to build a solution to suit them. Multiple compliance frameworks and stakeholders can be supported, and operational processes are integrated into the bigger picture of risk to present the real view. Let's take a look at the product in more detail now, and we're going to do this by seeing how OneFix could be used to support the International Best Practice Framework ISO 31000 for risk management. Each step of the standard can be supported with integrated modules. Stakeholder views can be accommodated, and you can connect different compliance processes to get a single overview. The first principle is about establishing context, and this can be done by linking your records through to your organization locations, your processes, or your plans and projects. In addition, all documentation can be managed centrally in a dedicated document library. Next is the identification, analysis and evaluation of risks, and this can be done in the hazard module, where you can register all of your hazards and risks, add multiple outcomes and effects for each, score and rate the risk severity, and add supporting documentation wherever applicable. In addition, a complete event log records all of the management steps taken. Treatment of risk is supported through the capture and tracking of action plans, actions and controls, together with full details of ownership across your organization. Next is the monitoring and review of risk, and this can be done by setting up scheduled monitoring with automated reminders and the ability to track comments as the reviews are made. Finally is the ability to support the communication and consultation processes required to ensure that risk management is fully embedded at your organization, and this can be done in a variety of ways through comprehensive reporting and the ability to share documentation easily across any part of your organization from a central library. But OneFix goes beyond simple registers. You can gain a total understanding of your risks by integrating your insights from operational incidents, audits, corrective actions, training records, and even extend the scope of your analysis onto your partner organizations. And this is what we mean by delivering one view of your risks. OneFix is a modular product. Its design allows growth at a pace to suit the organization. Use it to administer organizational resources, such as meetings, documentation, and your reports. Use other modules to support the operation of key work processes, such as training and contract management. And at the core, focus on the integrated management of operational governance processes, such as risks and hazards, incidents, audits and assessments, and all forms of action. So how do we connect all this together across your stakeholders, business processes, and the multiple organization dimensions that you may have? Within OneFix, you can link records through to the employees of your organization, your plans and projects, your site locations, your processes and procedures, and even the partner organizations you work with. And all stakeholders are potential users of the system, not just a few specialists. Risk and compliance processes are complex, and you need them in one place. Think about accidents and events at your sites, and the action that's required. What about process breaches? Action. What about audits and assessments? Serious findings, more action. And we know what comes next. OneFix is about ensuring that all of this gets to the right people at the right time. One place and one view of risk means reducing duplication of processes and systems and you're probably seeing that other frameworks could be managed. Business excellence, health and safety, legal or food safety. Elements of all your compliance frameworks could be managed with one solution. You've seen the power of one fix. What does it take to run? Well, it can be hosted remotely or installed on client sites. It's accessible via all major web browsers, and you have the security of knowing that it's running through the Microsoft Framework and SQL Server database. So to summarize, OneFix provides one view of your operational risks through providing comprehensive coverage of key management framework areas. Stakeholders see the information relevant to them, and it presents the organization as an interrelated and aligned system of work processes. It optimizes work processes by reducing errors and rework, and it uses a balanced system of measurement, enabling improvement and database decisions. Thank you for watching this presentation. If you want to know more, come and talk to us or visit onefix.com.